Hey guys, welcome to Chef Bari. Welcome to Chef Bari's daily cooking series. Today let's make chicken thighs cacciatore together. Let's get started. Place oil into sauté pan and add chicken thighs skins down. Sauté both sides. Season with salt and pepper. Remove chicken thighs. Sauté sweet white onions and sauté. Add fresh minced garlic and seasonings. If you like, add sweet red and yellow bell peppers. Sauté. Add sugar or red wine. Add 1 can stewed tomatoes. Add tomato sauce. Add back the chicken thighs and sauté. Place in 375 degrees oven for 1 hour, and there you have it. Chicken thighs cacciatore. Prepare fettuccine while waiting for chicken to cook. Goes great with garlic toast too.
Hi, I am Chef Bari. Please take a minute to check out chefbari.com. Those who know me understands my passion. They also know I wrote and published 2 books. First is Canadian Recipes of the Great White North. Second is science fiction novel, Black Angels. I am on social media, Instagram and Twitter. Love to see you there. Let's get to know each other. Cheers. Chef Bari.